Hello and welcome to Dressmaking with Tiana. In this video, we will make this beautiful faux wrap dress. The link to this Dressmaking Amore PDF sewing pattern, called the Violet, is in the description below this video, so check it out and sew along with us. For this dress, you'll need about 2.5 to 3 yards of medium weight 2-way stretch knit fabric, clear elastic, matching thread, pins, a tape measure, and scissors. I'll be using a 4-thread serger and a regular sewing machine. For my dress, I'm using a navy Ponte de Roma fabric. You can get more information about the fabric choice in the instructional booklet that comes along with your pattern. Before we get started, please show us some love by clicking that like button down below and subscribing for more dressmaking videos. Let's begin! We'll start from the neckline. Serge the back neckline edge. I always recommend stay stitching your neckline before sewing so that it will hold its shape better. Fold the serged edge to the wrong side 5/8 of an inch and pin. Press. Then top stitch and press again for a professional look. Serge the front neckline edges. On the front bodice pieces on the wrong side, draw a guideline from the mark at the shoulder to the mark at the waistline, parallel to the neckline edge. Take a clear elastic and sew it right next to the guideline close to the edge. Remember not to stretch either the elastic or the fabric. The clear elastic will prevent your neckline from overstretching and opening up. Pin the shoulder seam, matching the back neckline with the mark on the front piece. Fold the front edge of the neckline over the back neckline and pin. Sew the shoulder seam and serge. Turn out the corners of the front neckline. Pin along the neckline and press. Top stitch the front neckline 1/2 inch from the edge at the right side. Press and cool it down with a clapper or your hand so the waviness of the fabric will go away. Overlap the front pieces of the skirt and pin, matching the center front marks. Baste or sew together. Pin the skirt to the bodice, right sides together, matching the center marks and the edges on the bodice and skirt. Sew the waistline and serge. Press. Serge the edges of the slits on the front and the back skirt. Serge the hem as well. Pin the side seam, matching the marks at the waistline, and sew 1 inch below the start of the slit. On the wrong side, fold 1.5 inches at the slit edge and sew right next to the serged edge. Do the same for all the corners of the slits. Turn out the corners to the right side, pin the hem, and press. Pin and press the slit opening as well. Fold the top corner of the slit, pin to one side, and press. At this step, press the side seams as well. Top stitch the slit opening 1/16 of an inch from the edge and press. Hem it by hand or top stitch. Here you can use your favorite method, choosing the best one for your fabric. Press. Fold the cuff in half and sew up the long side. Turn it over itself to form a cuff. Place the cuff inside the sleeve. Match the side seams of the cuff and the sleeve, and also match the center of the cuff with the center seam of the sleeve. Fold the sleeve fabric into small pleats around the cuff. You can play around with the amount of the pleats, making them small or big. Pin and sew. Repeat for the other sleeve. Fold the belt in half and sew to one side starting from the center. Leave a 2-inch opening at the center and sew to the other side starting from that point. Turn it out and press. Hand sew the opening closed. Give your dress a finishing press and we are done with our beautiful violet. I hope you enjoy your comfy knit faux wrap dress. Get this sewing pattern at the link in the description and happy sewing!